Is this the state of your office? Piles of paper everywhere, processes stuck waiting for approvals? Let us show you how document management systems and business process automation can help you improve your operations. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at document management systems and business process automation. So let's get started. What is a document management system? A document management system, or DMS, is like your digital librarian. Instead of wasting hours searching for an invoice or contract, everything is stored, organized, and searchable in seconds. What is business process automation? Business process automation, or BPA, takes repetitive tasks off your hands, like routing invoices for approval or sending reminders. Think of it as your virtual assistant for workflows. How do they work together? DMS stores all your documents, while BPA ensures they move smoothly through your processes. Together, they save time, reduce errors, and make your business look sharp. Here are some of the benefits. Number one, save time. No more digging through emails or file cabinets. Number two, cut costs. It reduces paper usage and manual errors. Number three, stay compliant. It keeps records secure and audit ready. Number four, work smarter. It frees up your team to focus on more high-value tasks. We have reached the end of today's video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.